Hello everyone, myself Archana Varude. In previous video, we learned about error, types of errors, how to minimize the errors, that is called as estimation of error. And in today's video, we learn the definition of significant figure, rules to determine significant figures, and rules for rounding off approximate numbers. After watching this video, you will be able to understand what is significant figure, rules to determine significant figures, and rounding of approximate numbers. As we know that there are different types of errors, and these errors can be minimized by taking large number of readings and using smaller least count instrument. In last video, we study the types of errors as instrumental error, systematic error, and random error. And here these errors occurs due to the human limitations as well as due to the environmental conditions. And for taking the readings, sometimes we use calculators, and using calculators we compute multiplication, divisions, and we get answers in many digits after decimal point. That is too long answers. For example, 0.2430687,692. But we have to think that how many digits are really meaningful and where to restrict this figure. Hence, the final result must always be restricted and rounded to a number of digits consistent with accuracy. In simple language, consider only those digits which are meaningful, and that meaningful digits are called as a significant figures. And therefore, definition of significant figure is a figure in any place, that means in a number, which is reasonably trustworthy, is called significant figure. Or another definition is digits that are meaningful in assigning a true value is called significant figure. Then we see rules to determine the significant figures. There are some rules for determining significant figures. First rule is digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are significant figures, or it is called as all non-zero digits are significant figures. Second rule is 0 is significant if it comes in between two non-zero numbers. That means if the 0 comes in between two non-zero digits, then and then it is considered as a significant figure. For example, 106. Here 0, it comes in between 1 and 6, and therefore it is considered as a significant figure. And therefore in this number of significant figures are 3, that is 106. Third rule is all zeros to the right side of decimal point and left side of non-zero digits are not significant figure. Here example is 0.0123. Here first 0, it is come on left hand side of non-zero digit, and second 0, it is on the right side of decimal point. But that zeros are on left hand side of non-zero digit, and therefore that two zeros are not considered as a significant figures. And therefore in this example it has only 3 significant figures, that is 1, 2 and 3. Fourth is 0 is significant if it is to the right side of non-zero digit after decimal point. Example is 2300. Here first 0, it is come on left hand side of non-zero digit and it is also before the decimal point. Therefore, it is not considered as a significant figure. Then 2, 3 that are non-zero numbers. Therefore, they are considered as significant figures. And after 3, there are 2 zeros. That zeros are come after decimal point and therefore they are also come after the non-zero digit and therefore they are considered as a significant figures, and therefore in this number total number of significant figures are 4, that is 2300. And fifth is, if 0 is on right side of non-zero number, then it may be significant or may not. For example, here 0.00476. Here significant figures are 4, 7 and 6 and 0 is not significant since it is used to fix the decimal points. Second example is 1024. Here 0, it comes between two non-zero digits and therefore it is considered as a significant figure. Here these are some examples of significant figures. First value is 2.020. Here we apply that 5 rules for determining significant figures and then we write the number of significant figures. In this value, first 0 is come after the decimal point and it is comes in between two non-zero digit. Also the last 0, it is come after the non-zero digit and therefore both zeros are considered as significant figures, and therefore in this value number of significant figures are 4. Second value is 0.0021. Here first 0, it is on left hand side of decimal point, therefore it is not considered as a significant figure. Here these 2 zeros are after the decimal point but they are coming before the two non-zero digit and therefore they are not considered as a significant figure, and therefore number of significant figures in this value is 2. Third value is 0.00120. Here again the first 3 zeros are come before the non-zero digit but the last 0, it is on right side of decimal point and it is also comes after the non-zero digit, therefore it is considered as a significant figure, and therefore number of significant figure in this number is 3, that is 120. These 3 digits are considered as a significant figure. Fourth value is 0.001100. Again here that first 3 zeros, they are come before the non-zero digits, therefore they are not considered as a significant figure, but the last zeros, they are come on right hand side of decimal point, also they are come after the non-zero digits, therefore they are considered as a significant figure, and therefore number of significant figure in this value is 4, that is 1100. They are considered as significant figures. Last value is 2.38 into 10 raised to 11. Here 238, these are considered as significant figures, and here 10 raised to 11 power, that is not considered as significant figures. Then there are some rules for rounding of approximate numbers. As we see that when we get answers in many digits after decimal point, then we have to think that how many digits are really meaningful and where to restrict this figure. And therefore, here there are some rules for rounding of approximate numbers. First rule is, if the first digit of discarded number is less than 5, then leave the nth digit unchanged. Here discarded number means after decimal point you take 3 digits. Here first example is 1.21344799. Then rule is, if the first digit of discarded number, here we take after decimal point that discarded number is 4, then it is less than 5, that means 1.2134, that 4 is less than 5, then 4 leave the nth digit unchanged, that means the number is as it is, and therefore answer is 1.213. Second rule is, if the first digit of discarded number is greater than 5, then increase the nth digit by 1. Here example is 5.214786. First digit of discarded number. Here the first digit of discarded number is 7 and it is greater than 5. Therefore, we add 1 in the nth digit, that means add 1 in 4, and therefore final answer is 5.215. Third rule is, if the first digit of discarded number is exactly 5, then leave the nth digit unchanged if it is an even and add 1 to it if it is odd. See here, first digit of discarded number. First example is 2.242518. Here first digit of discarded number equal to 5 and therefore leave the nth digit unchanged. That means before 5 the number is 2, therefore it is unchanged. There is no change in that number. Therefore answer is 2.242. But the rule says that if the first digit of discarded number is exactly equal to 5, then if it is an even number, then add 1 to it if it is odd. Second is 6.4475. Here discarded number first digit is 5 and before that the digit is 7 and it is odd, therefore add 1 in that, therefore answer is 6.448. Then now we see these are some MCQ questions, multiple choice questions. Before starting to solve that questions, here this is the last topic of this chapter. In chapter 1 we see the different points, that is units, types of units, physical quantities, systems of unit, dimensions, how to write dimensional formula, error, types of errors, estimation of error, significant figures, rules for determine significant figures. Now we solve these MCQ, multiple choice questions. First question is, the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are, options are not significant, second option sometimes significant, third is always significant, fourth is sometimes significant. And as we know, the first rule, the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is non-zero digits, are called as a significant figures. and therefore the correct option is C, always significant. Second question is the number of significant figure in the measurement of 0.056 is. As we know the rules, then therefore answer is B 2, because first 0 comes before the decimal point, it is not considered a significant figure. Second 0, it is on the right side of decimal point, but it comes before the non-zero digit, and therefore it is not considered a significant figure. Third question is the number of significant figure in the measurement of 205 is. Here answer is C 3, because 0 comes in between two non-zero number, and therefore 205, these 3 digits are considered as a significant figure. Fourth is the number of significant figure in the measurement of 0.0405 is. Here first 0, it is on left hand side of decimal point, it is not considered a significant figure. Second 0, it is on right side of decimal point, but it comes before non-zero digit, therefore it is also not considered a significant figure. But the third 0, it comes in between two non-zero digit, that is 4 and 5, and therefore correct answer is D 3. This is all about chapter number 1. In next video we start chapter number 2. Thank you.